crashing on launch. 1. Verify game files. Steam, library, right-click Helldivers, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Xbox PC app, use repair option. This replaces missing or corrupted files. 2. Update graphics drivers. NVIDIA, update via GeForce Experience. AMD, update via Adrenalin software. Intel Arc, update via Intel driver and support assistant. Avoid Windows default drivers, they often cause launch crashes. 3. Run as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Go to helldivers.exe or shortcut. Right-click Properties Compatibility tab. Tick Run as administrator plus disable full screen optimizations. 4. Remove conflicting overlays. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, NVIDIA GeForce overlay, MSI Afterburner Riva Tuner. These can hook into DirectX and crash the game on startup. 5. Clear DirectX and shader cache. Press Wins-R, type Sent Local App Data Sent, delete the Helldivers folder if present. Settings, System Storage, Temporary Files, DirectX Shader Cache, Clear. 6. Install required runtimes. Helldivers needs updated runtimes. DirectX End User Runtime. Please open your app to see this link. Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables x86 and x64 2010 to 2022. Please open your app to see this link. .NET Framework 4.8 Plus. Please open your app to see this link. 7. Check anti-cheat and antivirus. If game uses easy anti-cheat, run easy anti-cheat score setup.exe from the game folder, repair. Add game folder to antivirus exceptions. Sometimes Defender blocks DLL injection. 8. Adjust launch options. Steam. Right-click Helldivers, Properties, Launch Options, Try. You can see the code in our conversation you can see the code in our conversation history. Sometimes forcing DirectX 11 fixes startup crashes. 9. Check Windows and game mode settings. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, settings, system, display, graphics, default settings. Turn game mode on. #10, reinstall as last resort. If none of the above works, uninstall completely. Manually delete leftover files in Sent Local App Data %, Documents Helldivers, Game Install Directory, then reinstall fresh. After doing these steps, most players fix crash on launch in Helldivers. Do you want me to also